Hello everyone. Say hello.
Hi.
Today we will make a slime. Here are the ingredients you need. Glue, liquid detergent, a coloring. What's this? This is a paint. A paint. And a glitter. 3 colors for glitter. Color red, color blue, and what color is this? Another color red.
And
So-
this too.
And this is bulilit. This bulilit will make the slime. What's your name? What's your name, bulilit? What's your name?
Alfonso.
Your name is Alfonsa?
Yeah.
Okay, we start now making the slime.
Hello.
First,
Me.
you will put the glue in the bowl. And the last thing you need is the
Now
bowl.
it's my hand.
Okay. So, we will put the glue in the bowl.
Paano? Hi, Asia. Kalang ini ko ba lang? Balong kahao. I need this too.
What's that?
No.
That's the trash. Here we go.
Here we go. Wow! Tane may mix ta. Oh.
And what you need? What you need?
Ah! Ang spoon.
Spoon. Yes, you need a spoon.
Ah! Take off of here. Bye-bye in the audience. And we need just a little bit.
What's the
Need
spoon?
this. Spoon time. I-mix ko be. Ano sunod man?
Liquid detergent.
Ako lang na ano, ang kapit sa ano. Woo! Liquid.
Smells nice.
Ta-ta-pa-pa-pa-pa.
How many cups? I think 2 cups. You'll put 2 cups.
Whoa! One. Whoa! It's like an
Just put one.
ocean.
Okay, you mix. You mix.
I'm scared. So first time we make slime. Whoa! Wow! Look at this, guys. Ooh, it's mixing, 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 mixing.
Let's put, what color you want? This one?
Yes. Baby, I love you. Boom, 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 boom. It's mixing in a pot. Ah, ew, glue over my spoon. If I eat this, I will be poisoned.
Yes, you will poison.
Tun 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 tun. And we need this one.
No.
Ooh, my favorite.
What's this? It's the paint?
Yes. Ah!
I'll put,
Gonna
you
be.
close the glue first.
Whoop-whoop! It's the time of the sugar welly chicky booba and the sorrel
You mix-
up and mix it,
Mix
it's
it all
time.
the way.
Wow, it's pink color again. Woo! It's like dehydrate. Hey, I like this.
Color blue.
Yes. If I mix it around, you will be awesome. Ooh, splash. Oh, seems a very good flashy bat, but he's a beady bat. Hey, this layer's not ready. I will finish that. Like this. Ah! It's glitter on my look! Oh, where's the camera?
Glitter on your
Ah!
fingers.
I thought this camera right. Dun, 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 dun,
Okay.
Ben, let me see, Ben. What
Let-
did you do first?
Slowly. Just slowly put the glitter. Drop of glitter. Yes, like that.
What did you do
Okay,
first?
done. Done. Done.
Time to mix.
Hi, Mom. Say hi to the video.
It's time to
Hi,
mix.
guys.
Mix it and Asia's like this in my video.
Let's put some more glitter.
Dun 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 dun. It's so many glitter.
Detergent.
Yes, there's a detergent color. Wow. I think we need to add some more color.
Wow! Oh,
And also detergent. I think we need to add some more.
Dun 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 dun.
Let's put some more detergent.
Big slime is here. Asa is not gonna love this, but I'm gonna love this very much.
Okay, detergent.
Woo!
There we go.
It's just a rainbow. Look at that. It's mixing all around. If you see it all around. Red, blue, yellow donuts. Everybody hold their hands. Let's go round and round. We like dancing together. More.
I think you need more detergent.
More.
Mix it well, Dre.
Yay. I'm gonna mix it.
And put
Mix.
glitter.
Yes. More glitter. Ako ba?
Oh, di pa palapit din. Di pa palapit, palayo lang na. So, ang tapik.
Lambar ka lang na stop. Ayun na.
Stop.
To the right chance with Tarsi. I miss my Tarsi.
Wow, the color. So, the color.
Ooh.
I can't open.
Mommy, di na to ang glitter to, me.
Wow, it's color pink now.
Color pink, my favorite. Ow! In my face. It's not working. Let me try that.
Okay, done.
It's
Oh, no.
Oh no. It's gonna be surf.
What?
Oh,
What do you think, Mom?
bats.
What do you need? We need
I
more
think you need more detergent.
detergent. Okay.
Did you put a lot of glue?
No.
No, I think
Why is it sticky?
it's not sticky.
You have to mix it well like this.
Okay,
You did not mix it well.
let me do.
There. Need the more glue.
More glue?
Oh.
So, no,
Why?
kind of messy.
It's
Oh,
not
there
red.
you go. I think it's now a slime.
Ah,
You
me,
mix it well
me.
first.
Me.
I mix it well.
Me.
Okay, you mix. I think it's slime now.
Whoa.
Make it.
Look, I'm
You,
inside.
you mix it faster.
It's gonna be nice, though. We need to add some more glue.
I think it's slime now.
It's not slime.
No, it's not slime. Or we need to put more glue.
More glue.
No, let's check.
How about this one? We don't
We
use
need more glue.
You mix it first well.
We need this. We need this. We need this.
What's that color?
Did you
Blue.
put a lot of detergent already?
Yes.
That's the food coloring. It's colored blue. You can't mix it there. It's pink. You're making a pink.
Let's
That's
put
blue, Dad.
little blue.
Oh my gosh.
Yay! Blue is my favorite color.
Mix it well.
Mix it. Food coloring. My favorite. Oh yeah!
Wow.
It turned to blue. Yellow.
Into blue.
Did you wash your hands? Can mommy mix it?
Oh, me.
Mix it well. It's not turning into slime. What did you do?
First, we put Elmer's glue and surf and some paint, some glitter, and we got
coloring.
blue now.
You added the food coloring?
You mix it faster.
Me.
Oh my gosh, why is it not turning into slime? What is wrong?
I think it is slime now. How? It's not slime?
Yes, I told ya.
I think we need more glue.
We need to mix all the time.
We need more glue.
Did you see that? I told ya. We need more glue. Ooh, look at these sounds by sides.
Add more glue.
I'm gonna eat this up. Yup.
Here you go. More glue.
More glue, more glue, more glue. More glue, more glue. We need more glue. Yes, instead we mix it. Whoa, it's turning into white. It's turning into white. Turning to white. And it's a light blue. It's like a lighter blue pony. I wake up in the morning. I wake up in the morning. I wake up in the morning. Ooh, so long. Let's go.
What happened
now?
Gosh, what is wrong with our slime?
It's not turning into slime. Why? We need more detergent?
Yes. We need that more.
So we put more
If I
detergent.
put this.
No.
Whoa, it's sinking. If I turn.
See? I think this is slime now, or what? I think the detergent is wrong. I don't know.
Maybe this is soup slime.
Maybe, can you touch?
No! I hate some. And maybe this is a paint. Aw, I miss Patrick.
Okay, let's stop the video first.
What?